Sandstorm posted a weapon tier list on his Twitter at GD Sandstorm. Let's check it out. Let's see, what do we have here? Not a weapon, Lance. Like, yeah. If you main Lance, you're a special, like, a little flower. You're a special little daisy. Like, if you main Lance, could you consider, like, breathing carbon dioxide so we could, like, save the oxygen for people who, like, actually deserve it? That was a bit mean, but like if you main Lance, like I think that people who main Lance don't deserve human rights. Okay, let's see. Oh, hold on a second here. What? He put bow and spear over hammer and gauntlets? Hammer and gauntlets? He put bow and, not just bow, spear! Bow and spear over hammer! Spear over hammer and gauntlets! So I saw the video and I totally understand what you're saying, but still, like,